Hello guys, this is Ujjwal. Today we're going to solve merge k sorted lists. So as you can see, this is labeled to be a hard problem, but I don't agree with it. So what we have to do is we have k lists and we are given a list of lists and we have to make a new list which is completely sorted. So the easiest way to do it is by using a priority queue or a min heap. So what exactly you do in a min heap is we put down all the elements in the min heap, and the min heap have all the element in a sorted manner, and we just pull out elements one by one and add them to a new list, and we have our new sorted list. So let's get into it. We firstly make a priority queue. It will have all the integer values. Now we'll just put all the elements into the priority queue. Add. So we have the head of every list, and we'll just be putting all the elements one by one. While head is not null, we keep pushing the value into the priority queue and move the head to next value. So we have put all our elements into the priority queue. Now what we do is we create a dummy variable. You'll know in a second why I've created this dummy variable. Give it a dummy value of -1. So how dummy variable will help us is basically it will just make our life easier by we'll be easily able to add all the elements besides the dummy variable, and we'll just return the dummy.next value. We'll also create a temporary head variable. Let's call it new head, which will point to dummy. Now what we do is we remove our elements till the priority queue is not empty. And just keep adding a new variable, new value to our next dummy.next value. Keep making these lot of typos. pq.move, increment the dummy variable. So we return the next value of our head because the head contains the negative -1 value. Let's try submitting it. So it works perfectly. Now talking about its time complexity and space complexity, adding or removing a value from priority queue takes log of n times, and we're adding n elements in the priority queue, so the time complexity will be n log n, because every element will take log of n time. And the space complexity will simply be O of n because you're adding all the elements in the priority queue. Now a better, more optimized solution also exists for it. in which we can do it in a of n time complexity and in constant space, and we'll talk about that in the next video. Until then, thank you guys, and whatever doubts you have, please leave them in the comment section. I'll try to get to them as much as possible. Thank you.